This is the third movie of the After film series, which is an adaptation of the book by the same name. After We Fell is an amazing movie to watch with your special someone. It is emotional, cute, steamy, and romantic. It depicts how the past family lies can jeopardize our present and future relationships. The protagonists, Tessa, played by Josephine Langford, and Hardin, played by Hero Fiennes Stephen, have done a fabulous job and you will not be disappointed.
Only in those rare moments when he pulls me to his chest and makes promises he never seems able to keep, does the pain disappear.
Though there are many who claim that the movie doesn't do justice to the book, but if you don't compare the two, you would really enjoy it and everything it has to offer.
Is that gonna make it to your Instagram?
What?
I'll see you again for drinks next week. We'll do drinks next week.
No. I think you're obsessed with Instagram. I think
First of all,
you have
Mort, you said you were 6'2".
am I not present
Yes,
with you
you
right
are.
now?
You lied.
Dating sucks.
Dating and New York is a fresh take on the old movies, Friends with Benefits and No Strings Attached. The plot might be similar, but the experience will be much more sweeter. The film is in touch with today's millennial dating scenarios and showcases them wonderfully, while also managing to cheer up the audience.
You guys are friends with benefits? This is going to end poorly for you.
It's gonna work out.
The main characters, Milo and Wendy, will make the 91 minutes worth it. This New York couple will make you laugh and laugh just like any other good rom-com.
Important question. What happens when one of you catches feelings?
You mean if one of us catches feelings?
Yeah, if.
The ending to the classical high school romance of Peter Kavinsky and Lara Jean is just as awesome as their journey of falling in love. The movie is a great example for all to understand what love and dreams mean, and many would appreciate the unexpected twist. As always, you will be charmed by the lead actor Noah and be in awe of the actress Lana, while also being amused by Anna. This movie is as true as its title, Always and Forever, as it shows the bonds of everlasting friendships, the impact of one's origin and culture, the support of a family, and the love of the one lasting forever. To All the Boys trilogy is fun, romantic, emotional, and will leave you happier than before. Finding your one true love at an old age. I'm sure you've heard of it. But finding your lost love after ages. How common is that? The Last Letter from Your Lover is an intriguing tale of a secret love affair between a married woman and a reporter, which ends mysteriously. It all begins again with the trove of letters found by a journalist who then sets out to look for answers.
While I was researching my next feature, I came across a letter. 1965, illicit love affair.
I write these words with you in mind and my heart swells. I've known nothing like this before.
The plot is carefully laid out and the time lapse has been beautifully captured. The Last Letter from Your Lover is suspenseful and yet very romantic. The emotions in this movie will hit you right through the screen and the ending would leave you wanting more.
Know that you hold
My hopes, my heart in your hands.
Come with me, darling. I'll be waiting.
How would you feel if you woke up and a year had gone by just like that?
I'm going to tell you something and it's going to blow your mind. Strap yourself in. I think I have travelled through time.
Where'd you end up?
Here. Now.
I don't think you get how time travel works.
Long story short, this movie teaches you the importance of time and moments. It is a winning, warm and funny film as the trailer points out, and we agree.
Every few minutes, another year goes by.
Say hi to Daddy.
Oh, here he is.
She.
Here she is. Yeah, that would be my second guess.
The acting is on point and so is the plot. With plenty of laughs throughout and its emotional touch, this movie might win your hearts and become your date night favorite.
I have to save my marriage. We have to call her.
Hi.
Happy anniversary.
You finally remembered. Did you get me something?
It's on mute. You get me a fruit basket. Make sure there's lots of bananas and peaches in it, if you know what I mean.
You bet.
You didn't press mute, Teddy.
If we are counting down our picks for the best rom-com movies this year, then Finding You will definitely find a place. It is a story about a college girl who travels to Ireland trying to find passion in her art.
I'm looking for something real.
Well, I'll be your personal tour guide. Trust me.
I don't.
There, she builds some unexpected friendships and learns to not be afraid, and that life always has a plan for us.
This is my favorite fella.
Drinks are on me!
Well, Joel, we've got a fine young fiddle player in the audience.
I'm gonna kill you.
Yeah, just after you play. Now, it doesn't matter what the notes are, it's how you play them.
A lovely, heart-touching story, wonderful views, enjoyable moments, delightful actors, and a matter of the heart makes this a must-watch. This movie is a romance sci-fi and is something along the lines of Groundhog Day, and in fact very similar to a rom-com that came out last year called Palm Springs. Two teens stuck in a loop, creating an illusion of having to live the same day over and over again. But do they really have to? The movie is interesting, adventurous, and portrays a love story that is unique. The chemistry between the lead actors, Catherine Newton and Kyle Allen, is adorable. This Amazon original is a fantasy well-knit and, like the name suggests, is perfect for a teen rom-com.
We could get out of it.
Are you really in that much of a hurry?
You don't actually think that this is living, do you?
We have all the time in the world.
This is not time. Time is the stuff that when you spend it, you don't get it back. I thought everything was perfect, but there was more to the story.